Welcome to Rankblocks. In the next few minutes, I will take you from adding your first project, doing your boarding, to running your first AI visibility run, but also writing your first article. So right here is the first screenshot that it will be taken after you log in for the first time. So basically here you'll have onboarding for three steps, and you will be filling this up with your brand information. For the sake of this, I will be using Rankblocks, which is this same platform. After pressing continue, you will be prompted to connect to your GSC Google Search Console account. In this case, I'm already connected, so I'll need to select Rankblocks in this case. And right here is where you will be placing any brand positioning documents. That will be including any document that you have for your brand with your competitors, ICPs, voice and tone, writing rules, everything from your brand. But if you don't have them, don't worry about it. We'll be creating this based on public information, your site, and research from our end that you can edit later. So after you generate your brand kit, it will take a few minutes and you will be taken into your brand kit, right? And let me show you how that looks. So right now we are right here at the Rankblocks brand kit, and you will be getting everything from your brand. And this is super powerful here because all the content that we generate will come from and will be based from your brand kit, right? So right here you will get, the content about your voice and tone, your author persona, your content language, global writing rules, and the active CTA. And everything here you can change it, by the way, so don't worry about what we generate in the first run. Then you will be getting your product and services. Again, you can edit or add any product or service you want. Then the audiences, and here is a super powerful part of the process because you will be getting an empathy map for each one of these, and you are able to edit this too. Then the market. For the market, you will get the 5 competitors, top 5 in your space, but also the top 2 locations that you operate in your target, right? And again, you can change these too. And for the content, here you'll be getting each content type that you will be creating content for, with the type, description, writing rules specifically for each of these, a template if you have it, and any reference that you want to either attach as a file or place the URL here for us to keep in mind while we create content. So once you check this and you are, completely sure that everything is according to your brand, you will be saving the changes. And then in the backend, while you're, reviewing this, the first AI visibility run will be already running for you, but also the content opportunities. So let's check the first AI visibility run for you. In here, we don't have any since this is a brand new account that we generated. And basically, right from the back, you will be getting 50 active prompts for you. This will be generated based on your brand kit, on your audience, on your products, and your competitors, and also prompts that we will be extracting from Quora, Reddit, and Google Search Analysis. Here, as you can see, you have the top 50 for you, with mention rate, citation rate, share of voice for each. Also, you will be getting the top citing domains for this, just to see if your competitors are being cited here or not. And in the bottom, you will be getting each prompt, each query with the response that you were cited and which LLM you have been citing on. So this is super powerful here. And you will be able to delete prompts, add manual prompts in here, and everything. So let me show you a dashboard right here just for you to see it, because you will be getting everything right here, right? The AI visibility done for you automatically, then the search performance based on your Google Search Console data, backlinks too, performance trends, top pages, keyword rankings, and also reports that you can do here too. So content opportunities, this is the best part here. And let's start with refreshes. Again, if you have already articles published, that are ranking for keywords, this will be extracting those and giving you, ways that you can optimize them, and that will be done for you too, and refreshing that with, up-to-date data, adding links, removing links, adding content based on content gap or not, depending on the piece. But then right from the back, After you create your account, you'll be getting one content piece opportunity per day. And this goes super in depth. And this is where we really mark a difference with all these other services that are going around. So let me show you how this works. So for each, we'll be doing keyword research for detect primary keywords with high volume and low difficulty. Then the secondary keywords, that's something that we will be mapping here too for you. But then with that, we will be doing all the SERP analysis where we will be extracting and scraping all the content for the top 5 ranking articles to see the header, what content is there, what content is missing. And also we will be merging that with different prompts, and this is something unique. Different prompts that we extracting from Quora, Google PAA, from Reddit, from related questions, and that will be basically the whole loop for you, right? So you'll be getting the best of the AI, of the SEO optimization, but also the best for the AEO and GEO optimizations too. And basically with that, we will be creating that piece that will be ranking for you. Additionally, while we create this, we will be scraping your sites to check if you have any categories there, any clusters of content. If you don't, we will be creating that for you automatically. And when this published from this platform, from Rankblocks, that category will be generated in your CMS too. So you can also add your own keywords. That's something really good too. Let's say that you are already doing your research, you have your CSV, your Google Sheet with your keywords and your research. You can upload that here and we will be creating all this content for you, including the content topic idea. But if you already have that in the keyword sheet, we will be respecting that. The primary keywords, secondary keywords, content gap, and we will be extracting the prompts related to that keyword and topic too. So that's the powerful thing here. Everything is super well thought and go super in depth. And the great part is that you will be able to also, again, check for the tracking and see how this content goes here. So let me show you how this works in the backend and what you will be able to see while writing this content. So you can either write the brief, outline, metadata, and full article, by hand, one by one, by running each workflow, or the auto write, which will be running one at a time automatically for you. For example, the brief will have the overview, rationale, the audience, and the intent behind this search, but also the primary motivation, the top of funnel. Here is where we recommend a type of content here, in this case, an explainer or how to, and questions, brand angle, and the keywords to target. Then you have the outline with each section and the core dimensions that we are going to be, and topics that we are going to be targeting in each section. You can come in here again and edit this in your, the way that you've found it best. But also you can have the full article, and this is the way where we show you the complete article. And here on the right, you will be seeing the whole analysis, including numbers of internal links that we added, in this case 9, external links, always tied to facts and high authority sites. And then we have images with their alt content too, FAQs, word count, and every article comes in around 2K words, which is the the best practice here, and the whole analysis for the article. And obviously the metadata, primary keyword, meta title, description, slug, and the excerpt, and this is also for the CMS. So you can either publish this manually. Again, here this button will say publish, or basically download this to send to a client maybe, or to internal team to review it here, to review it in a doc. But again, you can also do the revisions here, and that is the beauty. For example, if you want to, let's say, leave a comment here, you can, right? You can leave the comment for your team to see. And you can also come and edit anything here with the AI editor. So just select, edit, change header, for example. And this will be something that will be edited here too, based on your prompt. So that's the powerful thing here for you guys. So yeah, with this, there's a lot of other things that you can see. For example, the content calendar, and this is the most powerful function we have, which is called the auto growth. So right from the back, when we create these net new opportunities for you, those will be placed in this calendar for you to have the exact content plan and roadmap of content for your brand or any project that you're adding. And you can again either come in here to opportunities and write each page by running the workflows manually, or doing and using the auto growth. The auto growth will be basically doing this whole thing on autopilot. So let's say that you um, turn this on, right? You will be able to select the amount of pieces you want a month, in this case 30. You can choose if you want to mix between net new articles only, or net new and refreshes. In this case, I don't have refreshes, but if we did, we will be placing those automatically here in a healthy mix for you to have. Then you can choose the publish time and the location, because again, this can be auto published to your CMS daily, right? You can either select the auto publish and then connect your CMS. And if you have some issues connecting your CMS, you'll be having a small form for us to do it for you, but it's super simple. And you can connect WordPress, you can connect Shopify or Wix for now, and more CMSs are coming. But if you don't select this and you don't check on the auto publish, each day you will be getting, and this obviously is turned on, each day you will be getting your piece, your article written for you by us, by Rankblocks, and you will be sending you an email letting you know this, for you to come into the platform, and you will get a button that will direct you right here for you to check the article, check the complete metrics of the article, and if you like it, you will be able to publish from here automatically too. So that's the powerful thing here. And then you have a lot of more things like reports. Then you can have the rank tracking specifically for the keywords. You can have striking distance opportunities, top pages, everything's here. But the latest one that I want to show you is the SEO assistance. This is a chatbot which will be your best friend in terms of chatting with your metrics, checking healthy competitors data, everything involving your brand. You can just ask it here. This will basically reviewing your data and giving you the best answer that you will get. So welcome to Rankblocks again, and anything is done here for you, so enjoy it.